Attention! Need a video at the start to get your attention. Time for a video. I'm just idling around. It's a cloudy day. It's not even 20 degrees. Idling around in the Patrol. And I mean, you know, your normal temperature gauge is just going to be, you know, sitting normal. Right, all looks normal, yeah, no worries, all good. 23,000 Ks. Only normally does highway Ks. 95 is just going up, up, up. Ridiculous. You wouldn't even know it if you didn't have this. Normally runs at about 87, 88. We're up to 96. Air conditioning isn't even switched on. Right. Ridiculous. Where does it end? Yeah, it's getting ridiculous. I've just stopped, popped it in neutral. I was just idling around about 10 Ks an hour. It's cooling down now. I'm not sure, 94 seems to be dropping quickly now. Is that a thermostat issue? Just gets stuck. So if you're crawling along at 10 Ks an hour, and before I stopped, there was no issue. Let's have a look under the bonnet, going back up again. All right, let's have a look. Yeah, you can feel a bit of heat. Have a look at that, eh? Big V8. Mate, you just wouldn't get that out of a, I don't know, I won't say a Toyota, but 1 kd, mate, if I cruise around like that, it'll be on 85 degrees, and that's that, end of story. So I've got, I'm just looking across to, that's not the one behind it, you know, down there, that one. Just have a look at the coolant level. I can see over that side there, there's coolant in there. Fan spinning. It's like the fan hub isn't engaging like it should. Fans are a bit of a problem on these, I've heard. So sometimes it's locking up when it shouldn't, and sometimes maybe it's not engaging when it should. So if you build up some speed, you'd be okay, because you only need your fan to pull air when you're not moving, like now. But you know, so yeah, maybe a fan issue. Anyway, just thought I'd document that. I'll probably put it on YouTube anyway, just to show everybody. Patrol's just over a year old, highway Ks, many oil changes. Interesting, we'll keep an eye on it. And that's pretty pathetic, really. Yeah, I guess maybe this is where Toyota Prados rule. Just getting it moving a bit. Not much. 20 Ks an hour to see what happens. Not much. Let's get out on the road. So within about 3 minutes of hitting even 30 Ks an hour, it's cooled down to that, but it's still making noise. And I'll tell you, I haven't got an alarm set on 90 for no reason. Rarely does it make noise at 90, 91. That's if you give it a big bootful. The temperature does go up quickly. So this is 50 Ks an hour, and still not that exciting. I'll keep driving, see what happens. No jokes, it's a real thing. You can see outside air temperature 15 degrees. Imagine this was a 45 degree day. As soon as I hit 60, 70 Ks an hour, coolant temp drops back to normal. So quite pathetic. I don't drive this car in traffic. It's a highway car. So it's either a pathetic cooling system, or it's got a problem with the fan hub, like they say they all do. So beware of which vehicles you choose. For me, won't be a problem because it's a highway car. It's currently sitting on 85, 86. Bada bing, bada boom, baby, we're out of here. And back to base, it's back to 80 degrees just from driving 2 kilometers up and down the road, getting some airflow. Bada bing, bada boom, you've seen it, believe it or not.